Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you the semantic elements inside it. So watching if I inspect it and open inspect page and here's if I go on this header tag, you're watching it's taking all this space. And if I go on navigator tag, so it's taking all this space until this and there's the main tag over here and the main tag is taking all over here and there's a side tag over here which is side tag which like tells that it's it's like this there'll be like you're watching it's relating to another thing to another page and that's that. And the footer tag is at the end. We can add it at the end to tell the person that it's over and it tells the person that it tells the person about your code and you're watching if I can change the code over here and if I change it so watching now my website is changed so anybody can change anybody's website so if I open YouTube over here watching open it now if I let me inspect over here. Watching here something of it. Okay, it doesn't open it. Let me open. Now inspect. So now you're watching here's the whole code of this page. So now if you would know that here let it load. Oh, not loading. Okay, so let if I can use alert create another things the on another page. If I write alert, it's act by me. And if I run it, so watching, so watching it tagged by me. And this is how I can make so much changing inside it. Different open elements. So we're watching there's an head tag in which there's all this code. So let me open this and open. So you're watching I can open anything if I go to create and press on this. So here's all its code. And if I go over here, no, let me go over here and let me. So now, if I press on this and I change it, so now you're watching. Now, so you're watching it's changing the text of the videos. So with that way, I can also change its text. Oh, here's. Let me change it. And one way one just like this. And now if you're watching it showing like this and I can also change this sponsored by text um, here I change it by non coding by eb so here it would show sponsored by learn coding by and here if I go over here and go on this so this is how I can change so many things of it and I can also change this text by working on it. Okay, so here's if I press home, so it would take me to home. And about, so it's taking me to about. And if I press contact, it's taking me to content. So how it's working? So I have linked these tags over here. So it's linked over here. You're watching if I open section ID is equal to about and here I is equal to home and here I am writing all of them and you're watching I have used unordered list that's why it's showing bullshit points so that's why if I change it to ordered list so it would be like that And this is how we can use semantic tags. So keep practicing and keep learning, and we will meet the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning.